Good morning students. Welcome to BBPS e-learning class. Students, this is your maths period. So take out your maths book and copy. Students, today we will study chapter 4, that is fractions, and we will do fill in the blanks. Question 1. A dash is a part of a whole. Fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. Now students, look here. You can see here whole square is divided into 4 equal parts, out of which only one part is shaded. So students, whole part is 4. So we will write 4 as denominator. Now out of 4 equal parts, only one part is shaded. So we will write 1 as numerator. Now students, 1 by 4. This we have written in a fraction form. What we have done here? We have done part of a whole. Students, you can see here whole square is divided into 4 equal parts. So whole part is 4, out of which only one part is shaded. So shaded part is 1. Now students, 1 by 4. This we have written in a fraction form. What we have done here? Part of a whole. And this we call it fraction. So students, fraction is a part of a whole. Now come to question 2. The reciprocal of a number of fraction is known as its dash. The reciprocal of a number of fraction is known as its multiplicative inverse. Students, look here. Reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5, and this we call it multiplicative inverse. Students, you can see here we have interchanged 5 by 6 into 6 by 5, and this we call it multiplicative inverse. So students, multiplicative inverse is used to interchange numerator and the denominator in a given fraction. Students, when you interchange 5 by 6 into 6 by 5, this we call it multiplicative inverse. Now students, question 3. A proper fraction with numerator 1 is called dash. A proper fraction with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. Students, look here. 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 3. Now students, you can see in all the cases, numerator is 1. You can see here also numerator is 1. Here also numerator is 1. Here also numerator is 1. Now students, in all the fraction, numerator is 1. So students, this type of fraction, we call it unit fraction. So unit fraction, it is a fraction in which numerator is 1. Now students, come to question 4. A fraction cannot be divided by dash. A fraction cannot be divided by 0. Students, look here. 3 by 4. This we have written in a fraction form. 3 by 4 divided by 0. We never do this because a fraction cannot be divided by 0. Or any number cannot be divided by 0. Students, you can see here. Here number is 5. 5 divided by 0. Students, we never do this because it is not possible to divide 5 by 0. So, we never do this. We never divide any fraction or any number by 0. Now students, come to question 5. 0 does not have a reciprocal. स्टूडेंट्स, जीरो का रेसिप्रोकल नहीं होता है, सो जीरो डज नॉट हैव अ रेसिप्रोकल. Question 6. The word dash means complementary, inverted or interchangeable. The word reciprocal means complementary, inverted or interchangeable. Now students, look here. Reciprocal means interchangeable. Students, reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. Now students, what we have done here? We have interchanged 5 by 6 into 6 by 5. So, reciprocal means interchangeable. Now students, come to question 7. When a fraction is multiplied by 1, the product is the fraction dash. When a fraction is multiplied by 1, the product is the fraction itself. Students, look here. 5 by 6. This we have written in a fraction form. So students, when you multiply any fraction by 1, you get the same fraction itself as the answer. Students, when we multiply 5 by 6 into 1, we get the answer 5 by 6. That is, we get the answer fraction itself. So students, when you multiply fraction by 1, you will get answer as a fraction itself. You can see here 5 by 6 into 1 is equal to 5 by 6. We get the answer as a fraction itself. Now students, come to question 8. Fractions whose dash are same are called like fractions. Fractions whose denominators are same are called like fractions. Students, look here. 4 by 20, 7 by 20, 8 by 20. Now students, you can see in all the fraction, denominator is 20. You can see here also denominator is 20. Here is denominator is 20. Here is denominator is 20. So students, you can see in all the fractions, denominators are the same. So this type of fraction, we call it like fraction. So students, like fraction, it is a fraction whose denominators are same. Students, you can see here 4 by 20, 7 by 20, 8 by 20. In all the fractions, you can see denominators are the same, that is 20. So this type of fraction, we call it like fraction. Now students, come to question 9. Fraction with dash denominator are called unlike fractions. Fraction with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Now students, look here. 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 6 by 7. Students, you can see in all the fraction, denominators are different. Here denominator is 3, here denominator is 4, here denominator is 7. So students, you can see in all the fraction, denominators are different. And this type of fraction, we call it unlike fraction. So unlike fraction, it is a fraction with different denominators. Now students, come to question 10. A fraction with numerator less than the denominator is called a dash. A fraction with numerator less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Students, look here. 3 by 8, 1 by 2, 3 by 7. Now students, you can see here numerator is 3 and denominator is 8. Students, you can see here 3 is less than the 8, or we can say numerator is less than the denominator. Now students, you can see here numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. So 1 is less than the 2, or we can say numerator is less than the 2. Now students, you can see here numerator is 3, denominator is 7. So students, you can see here 3 is less than the 7, or we can say numerator is less than the denominator. Students, in all the fraction you can see that numerator is less than the denominator. So this type of fraction we call it proper fraction. Now students, proper fraction, it is a fraction with numerator less than the denominator. Students, now we will do match the following. Students, this is a column A and this is a column B. We have to match the column A with the column B. Question 1. Unit fraction. Now students, unit fraction, it is a fraction with numerator 1. So students, you can see here numerator is 1 and denominator is 4. So 1 by 4. This is the example of unit fraction, because here you can see numerator is 1. So we will match unit fraction with the 1 by 4. Now students, come to question 2. Improper fraction. Students, improper fraction, it is a fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Now students, you can see here 8 by 3. You can see here numerator is 8 and denominator is 3. 8 is greater than the 3. Students, numerator is greater than the denominator. So 8 by 3, it is the example of improper fraction. So we will match improper fraction with the 8 by 3. Now students, come to question 3. 3 by 5 into 0. Students, when you multiply any fraction by 0, you will get the answer 0. When you multiply any fraction or any number by 0, you will always get the answer 0. So students, we will match 3 by 5 into 0 with the 0. Now students, come to question 4. 4 by 6 into 1. Students, when you multiply 4 by 6 into 1, you will get the same fraction itself. Students, when we multiply 4 by 6 into 1, we get the answer 4 by 6. That is the fraction itself. Students, when you multiply any fraction or any number by 1, you will get the same number or the same fraction itself. That is 4 by 6. Now students, question 5. Reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. Now students, match the following. This you have to do it in your copy. Students, note down your homework. Your homework is learn, fill in the blanks and match the following.